I'm gonna teach you how to make chicken with fish sauce. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put galinga, garlic, and some coriander seed and some coriander in the pot. I think it's called lemongrass, like this. Lemongrass, I'll put a lot of them. Galingo, some garlic, coriander seed, cilantro, like this. I think you need a fish sauce, any kind of fish sauce that with soy sauce. Half a cup, put it in a pot. Thin soy sauce, and then a little bit of sweet soy sauce. Half cup, you know. So I will let it steam for like an hour. Next thing I'm gonna make spicy garlic sauce. So you need 6 ingredients: lime, pepper, garlic, coriander, fish sauce, and sugar. Like this. Two, three, four. More, a little bit of, you can see. Next thing, I'm gonna cook some rice. I'm gonna put some 2 cups of rice in here and it's time for cleaning.